In the spare parts criticality dashboard, firstly, we have various filters based on the requirement to view the data. By selecting the required values from the filter, the report changes accordingly to that selection. Then we have key indicators such as spare consumption quantity and spare consumption amount for the current year and previous year. Also, we have the growth % for the consumption quantity and amount. In the next section, we have the spare consumption amount by plant in the graphical format, and then we have the contribution of each plant in spare consumption amount. We have the similar analysis for the spare consumption in quantity. Lastly, we have a trend of current year amount and previous year amount spent on spare parts. Spare parts criticality analytics gives you thorough analysis of the spare parts of machines purchased and issued for the company.